What's up, guys? Today's book is a classic by Dale Carnegie called How to Win Friends and Influence People. This book is so good that my neighbor, who was I probably can't tell you what he does in the military, but this is a book he recommends psychologically to help with negotiation type stuff. So the book is great about how to build rapport and how to win friends and influence people. There's a couple different things that it talks about, and a lot of them are honestly pretty common sense once they're broken down, but it gives you actionable steps on how to do it and how to build those relationships. So I'm gonna just read through 6 real quick off my screen, and then I'll talk to them very quickly. Become genuinely interested in other people. Smile. Remember that a person's name is to them the sweetest and most important sound in any language. Be a good listener. Encourage others to talk more about themselves. Talk in terms of other people's interest, and make the other person feel more important, and do it sincerely. So those are the 6 ways to make people like you. Now there's a ton in this book about influencing and everything, but the 2 that I notice in there that really drive the point home to me are both things that I'm terrible at, which is probably why they drive the point home to me. The first is names. I am like the worst person in the world with names. Like I've even tried the whole oh, hi Jim, nice to meet you. So Jim, what was your such and such? Jim, it was great to meet you. Jim, like repeating their name a million times, and then I'll see them like a week later and I'm like, I know that guy. His name was, and I always feel like a jerk. So that's terrible, and I'm working on it, but that's probably my biggest weakness. Second point that really came home to me is let me read it. It says, be a good listener, encourage others to talk about themselves. And I would like to think I'm a good listener when I'm listening with purpose for like recruiting or sales, or when it's an intentional thing. I'm pretty bad about talking about myself though. So that means either one of 2 things. I'm not as good about letting other people talk about themselves, which is a problem, which is probably the one. Or other people are really good at getting me to talk about myself, and they're all using this on me. I don't know if that's the case, but if it is, good on all of you people that I meet. It's just not one of my strengths. I've always been really talkative. I think part of it's making up for being that shy homeschool kid. But I digress. This book is definitely worth reading. There's a reason it's been around for this many years, and it's still worth reading. It's still a top seller, so definitely check it out. How to Win Friends and Influence People. I'll put a link down below so that you can grab it from Amazon. Have a great day.